Okay, 0.6 wire test. I have to say something before run the machine. Usually we supposed to location the PCB like this, but in the 2-wire position there is no edge. If I location the PCB like this, the head may hit the table. So the machine requests every PCB have an edge, at least 3 millimeter edge. At least 3 millimeter. Okay, that's it. Let's run the machine. Okay, let's see how is the wire. Looks good. Now I'm gonna to take out the PCB and check the cringe. 老吴帮我拿出来这块 PCB， 翻一个面。Okay, let's see the cringe here, the 2-wire. 倒转，好，就这样拿着，别动了啊。You can see the cringe. The angle is about 35. The length of the lead is almost 1.3 mm, I think. Okay, that's it. In this model, 2-wire,